Now we will move into a hip mobility drill, controlled articular rotations. We'll start with the right hip, and we'll be making a big rotation through that right hip while keeping the knee bent to 90 degrees. Feel free to hold on to a stick or a wall if needed for balance. Now let's begin. On a strong left leg, we'll lift the right knee high in front of the right hip, then open the right knee wide to the side. There, the lower leg should be vertical, perpendicular to the ground. Now you want to internally rotate through that hip in order to lift the heel high and bring the lower leg parallel to the ground. Then keep that leg parallel to the ground for as long as possible as you wrap the leg behind the body before squeezing the knee into center and sweeping the knee under the hip. And we'll repeat by lifting the knee high in front of the body, then opening the knee wide to the side with the lower leg vertical. Then internally rotate at the hip, lift the heel high, bring the lower leg parallel to the ground before sweeping the leg behind the body and finally under the hip. Let's perform one more rotation. Keep the abdominals and the gluteal muscles firmly engaged. And then we can change the direction. We will begin by driving the right heel straight back with the knee bent to 90 degrees. Then lift that lower leg high so it is parallel to the ground. You will then bring that heel underneath the knee while the knee is wide to the side, bringing that lower leg vertical while the knee is wide to the side, before pulling the knee in front of the hip and then sweeping the knee underneath the hip. And we're repeating again for 3 to 5 rotations. You'll kick back. You will externally rotate in order to bring that lower leg parallel to the ground and pull the knee wide around the side before you stack the knee over the heel and pull the knee back around to the front of the body. So let's go ahead and perform one last rotation here. Think of bringing that leg up high over a box that's resting beside you. And we'll change legs. We're going to balance now on the right leg and lift the left knee high in front of the hip, open the knee wide to the side with the lower leg vertical. Next, internally rotate at the hip and bring the lower leg parallel to the ground, the heel high, and wrap that leg behind the body before squeezing the knee in towards your center line and returning it underneath the hip. We're performing 3 to 5 rotations again here before we change the direction. You're staying tight through the abdominals and the gluteal muscles. So let's perform one last rotation and then we will change the direction again. Next, we will circle backwards through this left hip. Begin with hip extension, reach your heel behind you, then externally rotate as hard as you can through that hip in order to keep the lower leg parallel to the ground. And as you pull that knee wide to the side, wrap your heel underneath the knee, continuing to externally rotate. Then pull the knee in front of the hip and sweep the knee under the hip. And repeat. Again, it's for 3 to 5 rotations. Think of a big box beside you and you're trying to clear the box with the leg as you perform that rotation. Keeping the abdominals engaged and the gluteal muscles strong.